So hi friends, in this session we'll start with on continuation of name reaction. Chapter number 12 के name reaction यहाँ से start कर रहे हैं. So in chapter number 12, first name reaction is Rosenmund synthesis. Rosenmund synthesis start with RCOCl plus H2PD. अगर ये H2PD normal रखेंगे तो we get RCH2OH primary alcohol. But in Rosenmund synthesis, RCOCl when treated with H2PDBaSO4 in the presence of quinoline or sulfur, here in case sulfur or quinoline behaves as poison catalysis. Yes, poison catalysis का role क्या है? This reaction is stop at aldehyde that does not further reduce and convert it into RCH2OH. So that's why this reaction is really very useful. RCOCl when treated with H2PDBaSO4, quinoline or sulfur, you get RCHO plus HCl. Example, benzene COCl, that is benzyl chloride, PDBaSO4 H2 hit it, you get benzaldehyde and HCl is released. Second name reaction we have, that is called Stephan reduction. RCN in the presence of HNCl to HCl reduction है basically one pi bond breakdown and you get HNH, you get RCH double bond NH. Hydrolysis H2 के साथ reaction करेंगे, H2 goes to this NH and O goes to this, you get RCHO and ammonia is evaporated in the atmosphere. Example, C2H5CN, SNCl2, you get C2H5CH double bond NH. On hydrolysis, you get C2H5CHO and ammonia is evaporated in the atmosphere. Next reaction is Gattermann-Koch. Very easy, very simple. When benzene is treated with CO and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, you get benzaldehyde. Gattermann एक था रिएक्शन जो था क्लोरो एंड ब्रोमो बनाने के लिए फ्रॉम BDC. दिस इज बेंजीन टू बेंजाल्डिहाइड COHCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Next we have a Itard reaction when toluene is treated with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2CS2. So this is really very important. This CrO2Cl2 is introduced into this CH3 part. तो 2H निकल जाएंगे, 2 मोल क्रोमाइल क्लोराइड के इंट्रोड्यूस होंगे, दैट इज OCrO, 1H is introduced and then Cl2, second mole OCrO, H and Cl2. This is nothing but chromium complexes, that is called brown complex. On hydrolysis, this all the part is removed and you get a benzaldehyde, that is known as Itard reaction. One more application of Itard reaction when toluene is treated with CrO3 chromic acid in the presence of acetic anhydride. This is benzene ring CHOCOCH3 OCOCH3 H3 plus की presence में reaction करो, ये पूरा का पूरा निकल जाएगा, you get benzaldehyde. So this is all about your Itard reaction. Next name reaction is the Wolff-Kishner reduction. Basically this is a reduction, तो जहाँ जहाँ CO वहाँ CH2 simple याद कर लीजिएगा. RCOCH3 NH2 NH2, that is hydrazine. H2O release, you get RC double bond N NH2 CH3. N2 यहाँ से निकल जाएगा in the presence of KOH. EG means ethylene glycol, you get RCH2 CH3. One more example, phenyl ring COCH3 in the presence of NH2 NH2 H2O. H2O is released, you get C double bond N NH2. In the presence of KOH, ethylene glycol, N2 is evaporated, you get benzene ring CH2 CH3. Next is Clemmenchen reduction. खाली reagent change हुआ है. RCOCH3 in the presence of ZnHg concentrated HCl, you get RCH2CH3. Basically जहाँ जहाँ CO वहाँ CH2. Phenyl ring COCH in the presence of ZnHg HCl, you get phenyl ring CH2CH3. So this is all about your Clemmenchen reduction and this is all about your Wolff-Kishner reduction. Next is aldol condensation reaction, that is symmetrical aldehyde and ketone के लिए. CH3COH means you require two same aldehyde or ketone. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड के adjacent कार्बन से H निकलेगा and O के ऊपर चला जाएगा in the presence of dilute NaOH. You get CH3 CHOH CH2 COH. OH from here, H from here, water molecules released. You get CH3 CH double bond CH single bond COH. Next is ketone के लिए one example, CH3COCH3 CH3COCH3. एक H यहाँ से निकल के यहाँ पे चला गया, so you get CH3CCH3OH CH2COCH3. Next step, when you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecules release and you get this product. अब ये जो नेक्स्ट दो है वो अच्छे से ध्यान रखिएगा, जस्ट बिकॉज अगर आल्डोल क्लियर है तो क्रॉस आल्डोल फटाफट खत्म हो जाएगा. CH3CH2COH, CH3CH2COH. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट गलती क्या करते हैं, टर्मिनल से प्रोटॉन निकालते हैं. दैट इज रॉन्ग अप्रोच. CO कार्बोनिल टू एडजेसेंट कार्बन से ही प्रोटॉन जाएगा और O के पास जाएगा, और सेम यही कार्बन ये कार्बन के साथ जुड़ेगा एंड दिस विल गोज टू द ब्रांच. देखिए CH3CH2 हैज इट इज CH एंड H यहां से मिला CHOH. अब जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया वही यहां पे जुड़ रहा है CH एंड दिस गोज टू द ब्रांच दैट इज CH3COH. When you hit this component you get CH3 CH2 CH double bond C CH3 CHO. नेक्स्ट कीटोन के लिए सेम एग्जांपल है. ये इन डिटेल डिस्कस आप चैप्टर नंबर 12 का वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया है, उसमें से भी एक बार देख लीजिएगा, आपको क्लियरली पता चल जाएगा. Next we have a cross aldol condensation, means unsymmetrical aldehyde and ketone. So C6H5CH2COCH3, CH3CH2COH. Means you can use two different aldehyde or you can use two different ketone also. You can use one aldehyde and one ketone also. Means it should be a different to this each other. Means इसको assume कर लीजिए A, इसको assume कर लीजिए B. In the presence of 50% NaOH, we get four major product, that is X plus Y plus Z plus W. X and Y is nothing but the self aldol condensation. इसलिए मैंने बताया था aldol अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लोगे तो दो प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से बन जाएगा. And then Z and W is nothing but cross aldol. So that's why aldol is really very important. Let's start with the cross aldol condensation. So first A cross A, C6H5CH2COCH3, C6H5CH2COCH3. Once again rule remains same. कार्बोनिल का एडजेसेंट कार्बन से प्रोटॉन निकलेगा, यहाँ पे जाएगा. We get C6H5 CH2 C के ऊपर CH3 COH. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट क्लियर. जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया वही ये कार्बन के साथ जुड़ेगा, दैट इज CH. This goes to branch C6H5 COCH3. OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get your first component, that is called as X. Self aldol means A का A के साथ reaction. Next is B का B के साथ reaction. CH3 CH2 COH plus CH3 CH2 COH. रूल रिमेन सेम. कार्बोनिल टू एडजेसेंट कार्बन से H जाएगा, O के पास जाके जुड़ेगा. व्हाट वी हैव C2H5 CH एंड H यहां से यहां आ गया OH, यही कार्बन जुड़ेगा, दैट इज CH एंड दिस CH3 goes to the branch CH. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecules release, you get your Y. So X and Y is your aldol condensation product. Next we have cross aldol. For cross aldol, A cross B. C6H5CH2COCH3 plus CH3CH2COH. H from here goes to this O. You get C6H5 CH2C CH3OH CH CH3 CHO. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, you get the product. So basically A cross B के अंदर क्या है, A species पहले लिखो, B species बाद में. This is not max के 3 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 remain same. अब B cross A करोगे उसका प्रोडक्ट भी डिफरेंट आएगा. Now we moved on to this cross aldol last part, that is W, that is B cross A. CH3 CH2COH plus C6H5 CH2COCH3. This CH2 goes to here. So what we have CH3 CH2 CHOH. H यहाँ से यहाँ चला गया है, CHOH CH C6H5 COCH3. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get your stable product, that is called as W. So this is all about your cross aldol. Cross aldol में सबसे पहले किया A cross A, you get first self aldol product. Next is B cross B, you get second self aldol product. Next we moved on to this A cross B, that is cross aldol, you get one of the product. And last is B cross A, you get W, that is your last cross aldol product. Next is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction means the species does not have alpha proton. Alpha proton जिसके पास नहीं है, ऐसी name reaction is Cannizzaro. So we have two examples. First is formaldehyde, second is benzaldehyde. So HCHO in the presence of concentrated NaOH, you get methanol plus HCOONA. One is alcohol and another is sodium salts of acid. Means next step जो मैं करवा रहा हूँ, this is just for your knowledge, आपको लिखना नहीं है. HCHO, this is nothing but CH2O. this one H goes to here and another H goes to here. Means ये जो प्रोटॉन था वो CH2 के पास चला गया, you get CH3O, and NaOH का H जो है वो O के पास चला गया, you get CH3OH. Now what is left in this side? H, CO and ONA. H, CO, ONA, that is nothing but sodium salts of acid. So likewise you get alcohol and sodium salts of acid. So next is benzaldehyde plus benzaldehyde. In the presence of NaOH you get benzyl alcohol plus sodium salts of benzoic acid. So this is benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde में से ये H जो है वो CH के पास चला जाएगा and ये जो H है वो O के पास चला गया. तो क्या मिला मुझे? C6H5CH2OH. अब सिस्टम में बाकी क्या बचा है? सिस्टम में बाकी बचा है फिनाइल रिंग COONA, that is nothing but sodium salts of benzoic acid. So this is all about your Cannizzaro reaction, formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Next we have a soda lime test or decarboxylation. Decarboxylation basically CO2 eliminate करने के लिए या फिर एक कार्बन कम करने के लिए यूज होता है. We start with acid RCOOH in the presence of NaOH. NaOH is strong base. Strong base has tendency to absorb acidic proton. तो सबसे पहले acidic proton को खींच लेगा. You get RCOONA. Next step NaOHCO is commonly known as soda lime. So next step Na2 COONO. Na2CO3 is released and this H goes to R, you get RH. So likewise we get RH and Na2CO3 is your byproduct. Example, CH3COOH plus NaOH. NaOH is strong base to absorb acidic proton. You get CH3COONA. When you treat it with NaOHCaO, so Na2 COONO. This H goes to here, you get CH4. So this is all about your soda lime test or decarboxylation. Last name reaction, that is Hell-Wohlers-Zansky reaction. So basically acid to adjacent carbon के ऊपर Br इंट्रोड्यूस होगा. So CH3 CH2 COOH, red phosphorus Br2. So one H from here, Br from here, minus HBr is released. You get CH3 CHBr COOH. Still we have one proton, red phosphorus Br2, you get C Br Br COOH. Next red phosphorus plus Br2. अगर कोई बोले कि सर यहाँ पे भी तो प्रोटॉन है, but this is not adjacent to COOH, so there is no reaction. याद रखिएगा, this reaction is only and only feasible to this COOH to this adjacent carbon. उसके next carbon के ऊपर ये feasible नहीं है. So that's why this only 2H is there. यहाँ पे 2 H थे तो दोनों के दोनों H को replace कर लिया Br ने. And then after if you start this continuation this reaction red phosphorus Br2, you don't get any product, that is no products is formed. So this is all about your name reaction of chapter number 12. So previous session and ये session दोनों को अच्छे से कर लीजिएगा. 10 to 13 के सारे name reactions हमने cover कर लिए हैं. This is all about your today's session. Hope you enjoy this session.